Good morning. Here we are out in the gym. It's Wednesday morning. It's our active rest day. We've got a stretch routine, and our stretch routine is the flex your torso, and it's 6 Pilates stretch moves, basically in the torso and back, lower abs, hamstrings, glutes, calves. So you get a good stretch out. And like I said, 6 moves, takes about 5 minutes. So we're gonna do this stretch routine and head out on a walk, be a short walk. Again, still nursing my knee, the old meniscus. Yesterday's leg workout, it did end up getting sore yesterday behind, like hamstring kind of sore. I think it's more the ligaments that were a little bit aggravated before I worked out. Now right after I worked out, it felt better. But I think I said at the end of yesterday, it'll be interesting to see what happens towards the, after I sit down and work for an hour and get up, and yeah, I know I could feel the soreness. So it wasn't debilitating, it wasn't like hurting, but yeah, it's even sore now a little bit. So we're gonna take it easy. We're gonna do the stretch routine, but anything that's aggravating my knee, I'm just gonna kind of lay off. And the walk, it'll be slow. I don't know if I'll do the full. I think I did 1.1 mile yesterday. I don't know if it'll be that much again. We'll take it when I have to start nursing this thing so I can get back to normal. So anyway, here we go, folks. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. We're gonna get this longevity training in so we can meet age with grace, folks. Got to get through this knee thing. Got to do it. Can't just sit and let it get all bummed up. So anyway, here we go. Let's do it. Let's hit it. Right, that does it for active rest day. We've got our flex your torso routine done. It was a good stretch. Really no issues with the knee on that. Maybe the rolling. I grabbed to the top of the knee instead of down at the leg because I didn't want to pull my legs tight. I think that might have been part because I did rolling and single leg stretches, on a Saturday that may have kind of misplaced that, so I'm gonna have to be careful on those. But anyway, yeah, everything went well. Got the good old stretch done. Then the walk, I walked the same distance, 1.1 miles. The back of the leg is tight, but not bad. Not bad. It's not like painful, but it's telling me don't straighten it out too far. Is what it's telling me. So anyway, yeah, we'll get through it. So yeah, got that done. Be out tomorrow for a back workout. There shouldn't be anything for the back workout that impacts the knee. So maybe just some moving around. But anyway, we'll be back here for the back workout, like I say, tomorrow. And it'll be Thursday. We're getting on over this hill. We're got a few more hours and we'll be up at the top, and then we'll be on the downhill side of things today. So anyway, you guys take care, be safe. This is Sojourner Vision. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. All right, we'll see you later.